What's up, everyone? My name is Colin, aka Editor Colin Online, and today I want to tell you exactly how I would make $157,000 as a video editor, because I do. If you don't know me, I was ranked the #1 video editor on YT Jobs in 2025. I've done 500 million long form views for my clients. I make over $12,000 a month every single month from video editing, and I've retired my mom with video editing all at the age of 21. I've also worked with many famous creators, including a Cookie God, Skeppy, Nico, Speedy Blocks, and many others, as you can see here on screen, many others. And yeah, I'm just going to be giving you the honest truth about how I do this and how you could also do this. But before we get into that, if you're even somewhat serious about video editing, I'd like to tell you about Six Figure Editor, which is my school community. In Six Figure Editor, you get daily access to me, so full answering of any questions you have every single day, a 6-module course on how to position yourself, how to raise your prices without clients saying no, how to grow your personal brand, and how to create systems that let you stop trading your time for dollars, and many more things. These are what the students are saying on screen. People are getting absolutely crazy results. People have gone from 0 to 4K a month, turning their passion into full-time incomes, getting clients who are in Streamers University, and many other amazing accomplishments. So if you're even somewhat serious about video editing and want to become the next six-figure editor, work on your own terms, travel the world, retire your mom with video editing, all as I have, links are in the description. Not to mention, it's only $50. So if you get one client from what you learn, that's what, a 50 to 100x on your investment. So totally worth it if you're even remotely interested in video editing. But yeah, on to the actual video. So I want to start this off with a story, because I'm not sure how many of you know the story. You probably know it if you watched my channel before. But my first ever video I did for a Minecraft YouTuber, I'm not going to say who it is right now, but you could go back and do the research if you want. And I charged $12 for it. Now you might be like, what, $12 and now you make 12K a month? Yeah, I know, it's a crazy transformation. But at the time, I was so thrilled to just be able to make money in general doing something that I enjoyed, that the actual amount I was making wasn't even something that occurred to me. I never even thought about approaching this as a full-time career. So yeah, like I said, it wasn't about the actual amount I was making per video. It was about the fact that I could do what I was passionate about and make income from it. And then over the next 5 years, I turned this little passion of mine into a full-time career that allows me to make 6 figures, travel the world, do what I love, and take care of the people in my life. Now, I want to talk to you guys about the thing that really changed everything for me. And this was the realization that what matters when it comes to scaling as a video editor is treating it like a business and not just like a video editor. Now, what I mean by this is you need to run your whole operation. You need to treat yourself like a business. You have clients, you have quotas, you have expectations, you have, set goals. You don't want to just be someone who, edits videos and tries to get by video by video. You want to set up client relationships where it is like a business, where they come to you every month, the same people, that you know that income is reliable, because over time those people will stick, and then every time you get a new one, you have another person who sticks, and over time you can build up your own little roster / portfolio, of clients who are going to stick with you. Businesses have expenses, they have schedules, they have goals, all those things you should have yourself. And right now, if you're treating video editing more like a freelance gig where you're trying to get a job here and there and then move on to the next, that's never going to get you to your goals. That's not going to allow you to live a comfortable lifestyle, take care of the people around you, And let me tell you, it actually becomes less stressful when you're doing it like a business. You might think, oh, that's too much, I don't want to do all that. No, I promise it actually becomes so much easier when you treat it like a business and not some like hustle bro freelancer like grind set. So yeah, like I said, $12,000 a month. But you're like, okay, how does it work? Break down the money. So basically, I have clients on retainers, which means every month they pay me the same amount of money each month on the same day at the same time. This is because we have a business-like relationship where both of us understand what we're getting from each other. They're getting content that generates them views, sales, and money, and I'm getting the money for doing the work. It's very simple. And charging on retainers will allow you to have that stability and the peace of mind that when that day of the month rolls around again, you are going to get paid and you're going to be able to scale, because this reoccurring income will also allow you to invest in things. You could get better equipment to edit faster. You could buy mentorships like Six Figure Editor and, learn from people who are exactly where you want to be. You get what I'm saying? So as I said, it's taken me 5 years, but this is exactly what you want to do if you want to go faster. All you need to be worrying about if you don't have a full roster of clients is outreach. Think about it. If you don't have clients, nothing else matters other than outreach. It doesn't matter if you want to update your portfolio link. It doesn't matter if you want a new profile picture. All that matters is outreach, because with enough time and enough reps, that's what's going to take you from little struggling freelancer boy to a big successful business boy who has a full roster of clients who are paying him reoccurring revenue every single month. And let me tell you, now I actually want to talk about this. A guy in my community just today asked me, hey, how do I stay consistent with editing and outreach? And I responded, you need to have your whys. Now, this guy joined my community and talked about, oh, I want to take care of my family and I want to make $10,000 a month doing what I love. And then I asked him, okay, those are your whys. Then why is that not enough for you to stay consistent? You know, it's all about consistency and reps. Like I said, I've been at this for 5 years. If you scroll on my Twitter profile, you'll see tweets from 2021 about me talking about video editing and starting my journey. And that's because I knew what it was going to take. And to me, my whys, my reasons behind everything I do, they run so deep and so true to me that was like light work. Of course, I would work 5 years straight for that. And that's the type of determination it takes to become a six-figure editor. But yeah, like I said, guys, the link to the school community is in the description for only $50. So if you get one client, you'll make a 50 to 100x return. And if you found this video valuable, I promise what you find in the community is way more valuable. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.